first tick on the opening bell. Very strong there, 100-point up move. 19,245 is where the Nifty is at. The Sensex is up almost 400 points, looking really good this morning. The Bank Nifty is up about 280 odd points. What's leading from the front is Tata Motors, up about 3%, post a very good set of numbers. Let's not forget that Tata Motors in 2023 has risen 70%. It's been one of the strongest stocks in the auto sector, also a big beneficiary of the EV adoption. So that stock is up 70% this year and 3% today. M&M is up about 1% as well, looking good. Hero MotoCorp, so the entire auto space is looking very good. Apart from that, L&T is putting on some more weight, so up about 1% there. Bajaj Finance, Eicher Motors, all in the green at the moment. On the downside, few and far between really. NTPC, Nestle, Tata Steel, ONGC are a few stocks that are in the red at the moment. But other than that, it's a very, very strong opening, up about 110 odd points. And better yet for the broader market.
Well, that's right, Sonia. Tilaknagar Industries, well, that's one of the top volume buzzers today. The stock is up close on 7%. It came out with its set of numbers. JK Lakshmi Cement holding with a gain of around 5%. Good numbers out there. Ratnamani Metals giving you margins of close to around 22%, the highest that we've seen in nearly around 9 quarters odd. So that stock as well opens up well in the green, flying away as we speak. IFB Industries, I think that stock was a little bit under pressure. So that stock as well should come up for you on the screen. And from the broader markets on the top, FNO gainers, Concord, well, the stock is flying away. It's up close to around 5% as we speak. So we're off the blocks, and we're off the blocks in style on this Friday morning.
Okay, well, I think it's a pretty good start. Now the task is to build on, what you've sort of got in terms of a start, 0.5% higher. It's pretty similar to the kind of start we got yesterday. At one point, the market did build on pretty handsomely, but then by close, we left off around where we started. So that's the real sort of thing to watch from here on. Suzlon is up at about 33, 34 rupees. I mean, just kind of highlighting the top volume-led gains this morning. So it'll come up on, there you go, on your screen. Zomato is up about 2.5, almost 3%, 110, 111. You got Adani Power. All the Adani Group stocks came out, rallied yesterday and then came off a little bit towards right at the fag end. Adani Power is up about 3.5 odd percent. It's got volumes, by the way. Container Corporation, Nigel highlighted. Tata Motors, of course, we've been kind of talking about as well. Anything else really here which merits a quick mention? Apollo Hospitals is up about 3%. Stocks up about 3%, at about 5,028. There is JK Lakshmi, which is up about 6%. Tube Investments is up 8%. Tube Investments has got a big move on the back of very large volumes as well. So it's a good start, good-looking screen overall. Market breadth is some 5:1 in terms of in favor of gainers. Jaiprakash Associates is down 2%. We were highlighting how it's doubled in the last 10 days. And it's got large volumes this morning as well, just under 18 bucks now. Sirma is down 4%. Sirma numbers disappointed, 503 or so on Sirma. There is Kirloskar Engineering, which is down about I think this is Kirloskar Oil Engines, beg your pardon, 8.5% lower, 513. That's a big sharp cut on that name on the back of large volumes. And something like a KDDL, Kamla Dials, has been rallying non-stop. That is pulling back a little bit. It's got a 6% cut at about 23.77 or so. But this is just the start, and things will settle in, and there'll be more stuff into the mix as we go on during the day. We have